Welcome if you've ever wanted everyone to see your email address on Facebook so people can contact you easily. This is the video for you. In just a few simple steps, I'll show you exactly how to make your email address visible to the public on your Facebook profile. First, grab your phone and open the Facebook app. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see three small horizontal lines. That's the menu button. Tap on it to open up all your Facebook settings and options. Now, scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy. Tap that and then choose Settings. This will take you into your account's main settings menu where you can manage everything from your personal information to privacy preferences. Next, under the section called Account Center, tap on Personal Details. This is where Facebook stores your basic contact information like your phone number and email address. Once you're in the Personal Details section, tap Contact Info. You'll see your email address displayed here. Go ahead and tap on it. On the next screen, select the option for your Facebook account. Then look for Change Visibility on Facebook. Tap that one. It's the key step that controls who can see your email address. Now you'll get a few visibility options like Only Me, Friends, or Public. To make everyone see your email address, choose Public. That means anyone visiting your profile can view your email. And that's it. You've just updated your email visibility settings on Facebook. From now on, people who visit your profile, whether they're friends or not, will be able to reach you via the email address you've chosen. Just make sure this is what you really want. Making your email public can make it easier for friends, clients, or collaborators to contact you, but it can also mean you might receive more messages from strangers. Thanks for watching.